day in the life of an 18-year-old funded trader.
NFP week shenanigans, we're just joking around. It's identified window uses are just not popular. So update guys, I took a trade today in NQ shorts. What's up everyone? Before the video starts, I did want to mention that the free Discord is in the description. We will be hosting free weekly calls every single Saturday around noon to 1 p.m. Eastern. We will be hosting free calls, free webinars every single week, and just free sauce in general. The Discord is just good vibes in general. We'll be posting just trading related stuff. Everybody's just asking for advice. We're just helping each other out, and it's just a really good community with like-minded people. So again, if you want to join up, the link is in the description. It's fully free, no strings attached. Also, I'm really excited to announce that my inner circle will be launching very soon. Okay, I've been working on this for a really long time since a lot of people have been requesting this. You will get one-on-one coaching with me, and there's much more included, okay? But I will only be accepting 10 people. So if you think you're eligible to be a part of this program, fill out the waiting list below and tell us why you should be a part of the 10 people that are allowed into the program. I just want to mention that to you guys before the video starts. And if you're not interested, it's okay. You can keep watching the video, and I hope you enjoy.
Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to a day in the life of an 18-year-old funded trader. And honestly, we're gonna get right to it. Right now, I'm gonna go on a run. It's around 2 hours before market open right now, so I'm just gonna go for like a run for like an hour and then go home, shower, and maybe chill for like 15 to 20 minutes, and then I gotta go do my pre-market analysis and stuff, and then hop on the charts, you know, get to trading, get to work. And yeah, so just gonna go for a quick run, and I'll be back when I'm done. I just ran like, I think like 6 kilometers or something. I ran so much, and this shit is not for the weak, boys. So go on a run, test your discipline, and maybe it'll help you become a better trader. All right guys, I just got back home, just turned on my computer and shit, and we about to get on the charts. It's 9:56 a.m. so it's 8:56 a.m. Eastern time. So market opens in 34 minutes. I'm gonna hop on the charts right now. I'm gonna open my Discord and shit, and gonna hop on the Discord, you know, talk with my people, send out the pre-market analysis and stuff, and you know, ready to have a good trading day, a good following my plan with good habits type of day. So like always, let's get it. Yeah, look at this. We got a gym chat and everything. The free Discord is in the description. This is how NQ and S&P 500 are looking right now. A lot of people get in here just to, you know, get free sauce. No strings attached. Just us being around like-minded people and giving advice to others. All right, so update guys. I took a trade today. It was a break-even trade. It just hit BE. And I'll show you guys real quick. It was a really pretty simple trade, honestly. So higher time frame, just we swept London highs. We had an hourly gap, 4-hour gap, and I was just waiting for the 5-minute to close below this gap right here. I was waiting for that to get inversed, and so once I saw, okay, we were displacing through that, and it's looking like we're gonna close below, I entered, but I did manage risk really strictly. I went to break even immediately after these equal lows got taken, because they were also equal lows within a small 5-minute gap right here. And as you guys could see, we got a strong reaction after taking out those equal lows. So that's why I went break even pretty early and really strictly. Overall, there is definitely still a chance that we could still go lower. As you guys could see, we're still getting some displacement lower, but yeah, this trade was also I also lowered my risk on this trade because it was against my bias. I am overall more bullish on all of the indices, on YM and on NQ. As you guys could see, NQ was pushing insane. So yeah, but I don't think we're gonna get a long setup today, at least not on NQ. Maybe on YM, and if NQ does give a long, it's gonna be like late into the AM session. So yeah, let's see what the day brings. Since I'm still break even on the day, I'm still willing to maybe take another trade if it does present itself. All right, boys, I'm hopping off. Like I said right here, NFP week shenanigans, we're just chopping around, especially on YM. NQ just fucking rallied without giving me an entry. Let me see if I could show you guys.
NQ did like NQ is right now in like a bearish array where we could potentially get shorts from, but honestly I'm okay with not engaging anymore for today. Like this is not my A+ conditions that I like, so I'm not going to be taking these shorts, but again they might play out to at least fill in the 50-minute busy down here and take out all of this low resistance liquidity. But again, I'm just not gonna engage in this. It's just not clean to me. And YM is just doing some weird ass shit, bro. Like I was bearish on YM. Like I was trying to take shorts in here because we had this hourly SIBI and a 4-hour SIBI and a 50-minute BPR and everything, but like this shit is just not clean. We also have a 50-minute bullish for Viagap, so it's just not clean, bro. PA is just so whack today, and I'm not gonna engage anymore for today. We're gonna end the day like this, okay? This is important for you guys also to be able to identify when the conditions are just not optimal for you, and it's just not dumb clear for you to, you know, see a good trade setup. It's just not clear. So yeah, shorts might play out now on the YM again, but like I don't want to engage in this shit, bro. Like my gut is just telling me this is not good. And yeah, we still have this 5-minute gap that we're respecting, and like I said, we also had the 50-minute gap. So it is what it is. Now I'm gonna hop on a call with my partner, and then I'm gonna go to the gym. So see you guys later. Overall, you could see today that the bullish bias and the bullish higher time frame narrative is just going to be playing out. And you could see that why the higher time frame narrative is always going to be king. It's always going to be king to have a good higher time frame bias based off of good reasoning. And as you guys could see today, like even though I tried to take shorts, you could tell that the higher time frame narrative was just bullish. Okay, the order flow was just too bullish, and price was just too bullish. Price just wanted to go higher. And so you have to also be able to accept when your trade idea is just wrong, and to be able to step away from the markets and just move on with your day. You know what I mean? Because even though I was bullish, there was no clean bullish setup, but there was a clean bearish setup. But again, it just, you know what I mean? You have to be able to just step away, except today's conditions just aren't good, okay? They just aren't good. And there's always going to be another trading day. You know, I'm looking forward to this Thursday because it's going to be unemployment claims day. And Thursday unemployment claims is usually my favorite type of trading days, whether we get a trade or not. PA is usually pretty clean on those type of days. So I'm just looking forward to that day. And if I could catch one clean, good winning trade for the week, I'm good. So you know what I mean? There's more trading days. Move on. Don't be attached to this shit, and keep going, man. I just hopped off the call with my partner. Right now, I'm going to go to the gym. I'm going to put some gym clips after this clip right here. I'm going to put some gym clips for you guys to see. And then after that, I'm going to be recording a Q&A video because I put on my story on my Instagram. The Instagram is in the description. Make sure to follow that for a lot of updates, you know, on trades that I'm taking and, you know, Discord related, YouTube related stuff. So yeah, make sure to follow that Instagram. But I put on my story that ask me anything type of thing, and a lot of people asked a lot of questions, so I'm gonna film that video right now of me answering a bunch of questions from you guys. So make sure to check that out. I don't know if I'm gonna post it before or after this video comes out, but yeah, make sure to stay tuned for that. What is up, guys? Currently in NQ shorts with the VIP Discord, as you guys could see right here. This is just a paper trade on YM, but this was my real trade for the day. Really clean setup, honestly. Just higher time frame reasoning for price to go lower. We had higher time frame London highs, SMT, just internal soup. Like really clean trade, honestly. I'm already break even, so my stop loss is already a break even. So right now it's just hope that it goes to TP, and yeah, let's see how it goes. What's up, guys? That first short that I took today, I removed the setup, but after we took out, I think this was a 5-minute low, and we respected the 5-minute gap. I went to break even, and it also hit my 1-to-1. So I went to break even, and then I ended up getting stopped at break even. NQ went to take out London highs and a 4-hour high, and then gave me another setup on the 5-minute, and I took it. NQ did like some weird ass shit today, bro. Like, fucking, look at this fucking Drake candle, bro. Like, what even is that? Like, I was in drawdown, and then I just fucking look back at my screen, and I'm fucking at a 1-to-1, bro. So price then reached, with this move, with this Drake candle, we reached a 1-to-1, took out this 50-minute low. I went to break even then. because that's just how I manage my risk. When we take out a significant low on the 50-minute, hourly, or 4-hour or whatever, and I reach a 1-to-1, or just when I reach a 1-to-1 in general, I do put my stops at break even. As you guys could tell, it wasn't that good of an idea since it was aligned with a M1 BPR right there. If you guys could see it, this is a M1 BPR. Price decided to tap that M1 BPR and then get a clean reaction to the downside. But honestly, I followed my plan, and I'm not mad at it. I took two good A+ trades today. Now I am done for the day. I had 2 break-even trades for the day. And yeah, this week has been really slow, honestly, but it is what it is. It's a part of trading. Trading is so boring sometimes, but yeah. So as you guys can see, this is the proof. Look, I took the shorts in here, and then I was like, what the fuck just happened? Like, that shit was so fucking random, and I'm pretty sure another person in the Discord was in longs or some shit, bro. And he got fucking rugged, bro. Like, that shit was funny as fuck. But yeah, just hella random PA from NQ today. But honestly, I'm just happy with my 2 trades. I took 2 good trades, even though they were both break evens. I'm happy. I followed my plan and I did everything I had to do. Hopefully tomorrow is a better day. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this like day in the life. I decided to add this trading day also because the previous one was kind of boring. Like the one that I initially recorded was kind of boring, so I decided to put this trading day in it.
Leef met de pijn, stand in de rain. Weet nog die tijden, zo waren insane. Ik had je nodig, maar jij was op dat moment niks meer dan een blok aan mijn been. Moet er doorheen, dan moet het alleen. Blijf op de been, check hoe ik maintain. Deze dagen ben ik niet op slaap, het lukt me niet eens wanneer ik pillen neem. Een haat is zo woorden kunnen me niet raken, doe er niks meer, maar mijn hart is van steen. Ik ben veranderd, zo hoor ik ze praten, maar ik ben precies hoe ik was voor de fame. Het verschil dat ze niet met me meemaken is dat ik opmerk hoe ze takken opneem. En ik, die neem er geen blad van mijn man, zie ik kies, dat tak ik meteen. Ooit was ik goed voor jou, maar het was niet genoeg voor jou. En nog steeds weet je als de ops op je zijn dat ik kom en shoot voor jou. Achtervolging, ik lose de blauw. Daarna look.
This is hamstring curls. We're going to be doing 3 sets of 12.
Ik ben met mijn bros, deze taai kwam ik boos. Mijn cirkel die is bijna rond en mijn zakken ook. Hou je echte mensen close, dat zijn de mensen die altijd stappen in mijn boot. Maakt niet uit hoe leven loopt, tegen goede tijden en in slechte tijden blijf ik zo. Samen rijk of samen broke, bro. Ik weet het is moeilijk, maar ik heb je never gezegd dat die struggle makkelijk is. Loyaliteit wordt getest in de tijden van nood, blijf je real, aanpakken we niks. Worden de tijden beter, wordt je cirkel groter, maar leef niet op je stap in je whip. Als je niet bent op je hoede, dan is de kans groot dat je belandt in je kist of belandt in